Hi friends, this is a ABClife steamer pot. Today I'm just showing you there's a steamer pot can be used as accessories for the pressure cooker or the slow cooker. It comes with a kitchen tong sort of things because you need to hold the hot of this strainer. I will show it later. Right now I'm just showing you the quality of it. There is a good handle with a rubber cover so that it will not be hot and your hands will not be burn. And then if you see the sides looks all stainless steel, and the mesh is a little like light mesh, easy to clean. You can see like all the stainless steel mesh, and this is like the hook, so it's like a good quality hook so that it will not come out while you take it up. That 4-side mesh with the rubber side corner so that you can put it inside the cooker and put it directly on the top of your kitchen cooktop or your top. Easy to handle, easy to carry, easy to clean. You can just put your vegetable inside in the cooker. And this is, as I mentioned, this is the tongue or the covering sheet to hold this bucket, and you can see like the qualities of silicone, and then just put it in your hands, and then you can take it directly like that or pick it by the handle. It's like a good quality product, and I will just use it and let you know if I found something else. Right now the quality looks good, everything looks good, and there are 2 things inside.